you doing? Scott from Out and About. Just checking out this cool old coal mine type ghost town type deal. So I'm in the desert in Utah here, and in the early 1900s there was a coal mine here. So I'm just gonna kind of check out the area and see what's been left behind. Thank you so much to all the continuing subscribers out there. I really appreciate that support, you guys. Found this old Budweiser pop top buried in the dirt here. Also, real quick guys, make sure you leave no trace and also pick up any trash if you see it. Thank you. Here's a pretty significant little structure that's left over. One really interesting fact that I read about this area is that there's actually a coal seam underground that's on fire, and you can see the smoke coming from the old mine shafts. Old top of a jug. Just found this cool old pin. Thanks so much for stopping by today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to click that subscribe button and check the description for some cool links. Have a great day.